Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 1, combinational logic circuit. Okay, so in this lecture I am going to discuss what is there is a BCD to 7 segment display decoder, concept of priority encoder, applications of simple maximum 4-bit priority encoder. Okay, so BCD to 7 segment decoder, 7 segment LED. Okay, so a 7 segment display is an electronic display device for displaying the decimal numerical numbers. Okay, 7 segment LED light emitting diodes, okay, or LCD liquid crystal display will be the type of display, provides the very convenient way of displaying the information, digital data in the form of numbers, letters, or even alphanumerical characters. 7 segment display displays a very widely widely used in digital clocks, electronics meters, other electronic circuits. Okay, and also that displays have additional input pins, okay, to display the decimal point in their lower right or left hand corner. Okay, and also it has a 8 connections, one of each segment and one that act as a common terminal. Okay, so in the electronics there are two important types of 7 segment displays will be there. Okay, first one is the common cathode and common anode mode. Okay, so you can observe that figure. Okay, there is a electrical connections of individual diodes for a common cathode display and common anode display, and by illuminating each light emitting diode individually, they can be made to display a variety of numbers or characters will be there. Okay, 7 segment display formats are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and there is a decimal point, that is a DP. I have so that should be shown here. Okay, so that is a truth table for the displaying the displaying the number. Okay, so there is a digits are displayed 0 to 9 in a 7 segment display. Okay, this is a B, C, D, E, F, G will be there. Okay, there is 7 segments. Okay, I am going to provide the inputs A, B, C, D. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that is going to display here. Okay, so that is a 7 segment display decoder circuit diagram. Okay, in a priority encoder, next concept is priority encoder. Priority encoder is a circuit, okay, or algorithm that compresses multiple binary inputs into a smaller number of outputs. Okay, and also the output of priority encoder is binary representation of the ordinal number starting from 0 of the most of the significant input bits. They are often used to control the interrupt requests for by acting on the highest priority request. It includes priority functions. If 2 or more inputs are equal to 1 at the same time, the input having the highest priority will be the precedence. Okay, preference will be given. Priority encoder logic diagram will be shown here. There will be D0, D1, D2, D3 are the inputs. Okay, I am going to, and also there will be a three OR gates. Okay, and one AND gate will be there and one NOT gate will be there. Okay, so you can observe that. Okay, so next one there will be a truth table for the priority encoder. There is a D0, D1, D2, D3 are the inputs and outputs are Y0, Y1 and V will be there. Okay, so applications of the priority encoder are priority encoder can be used for the keyboard encoder, positional encoders, navigation, interrupt request. Okay, and also finally priority encoder is a circuit or algorithm that compresses the multiple binary inputs into a smaller number of outputs. Okay, thank you.